What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about two projects. Okay, the first one's going to be Aptos Labs, and the second one I'm going to make you wait until halfway through the video so you can tune in, and I'll make sure you're watching and see what I bring to you. But it's going to be incredible. Before we get into disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. I do it so I can hang out, find projects like this, and get it straight on your radar. So let's get in. So guys, what is Aptos Labs? It's committed to developing products and applications on the Aptos blockchain that redefine the Web3 user experience. Okay, their team is accomplished technical experts and dedicated to creating a better network. All right, let's have a look at their team first and foremost. So the team is backed by the blockchain. I don't know how to pronounce the names. I'll make a fool of myself, but I'm going to try it. Mo Shaikh and Avery Ching created Aptos to fulfill the vision of bringing fair access to decentralization to all through a safe, upgradable, and scalable blockchain network. Okay, that's what their team is. They got a vision to make this extremely big in the next move, and they want you to do it with them. So let's have a look at some of the products they've got here. Let's have a look at the Aptos Explorer. So you can see already, what does this remind you of? It reminds you a bit of a marketplace or a trading platform. Okay, so it goes through what they've got. The supply here, massive number, stake, 824 million, real-time 15, peak the last 30 days, 2,107, and active validators. All right, if you don't know what they are, go into the eye there, and it'll tell you the validators set in each current epoch. All right, you can search Explorer for whichever you want, but you can actually go and have a look at the transactions. So the sender here, sent to, coin transfer, and have a look. Remind you a bit like CoinMarketCap and things like that, all right? You can actually track it. Everything is transparent. It's super, super easy, so you can see exactly what's going on any point at time. Now let's have a look at their Petra wallet, okay? So click on this, and it's going to tell you all about it. So it's your tool to explore Aptos, all right? You download it, and it looks like this. So it comes up with your account balance, what you've got in your faucet, and sending, okay? Your activity will show up. You got your home, your library, activity, and your settings down below. I'm not going to download it and show you for you right now, but please use the links down below and do your own research. But it's super, super easy. You can see how this is set out already, okay? I can click buttons on this. It's a little demo. You can put your wallet in, click send. Obviously, it has limited functions, but it just shows you how easy this can be, okay? Please get involved. Have a look at it. Super easy to use. And I do recommend trying out the demo first just so you can get a little feel of it. So here's their coin. It's the coin.move, right? It's a lightweight standard meant for simple, type safe, and fungible assets. Okay, it can actually be used to create a token with the emphasis on simplicity, and the coin module remains a part of the Aptos core framework. Now, you can actually see the coin here. All right, it's stored at 0x1, and then you can carry on. The structures here got everything you need to know about it. Now, let's talk about the token, okay? Token.move. Move the module, on the other hand, it is rich, flexible assets, fungible and non-fungible, and collectibles. The token standard is deployed as a separate package at the Aptos blockchain address at OX3. The standard is designed and create an NFT and semi-fungible and non-fungible decimal token. Super, super easy. Again, you can actually have a look full through the token, the name, description, URL, supply, things like that. I want to quickly touch on the staking aspect, okay? So we've got the concept of it here. We strongly recommend that you read the concept. So I want you to read all of this, do your own research. But we know what staking is, okay? So if you stake it on the chain, it defines a capability that represents the ownership of this, okay? There's no slashing implemented here. The rest of all this document shows you how to stake and work on the Aptos blockchain. I want you to get on here and have a look. You can see how much information. I can't read this all to you, but I want you to do your own research. Super, super easy. It's just like any other staking, and you can make some serious money. All right, let's talk about the governance. You can see the diagram here. So what this does, it actually changes to the blockchain parameters, and it approaches the duration. So the minimum required and maximum allowed validated data staked. You can change the core blockchain code, upgrades to the Aptos framework, developing new framework modules. All right, and go through this diagram so you can actually see exactly what's going on. But again, there's too much information. Please do your own research. I just want to show you where it was and give you a quick overview. Guys, if you got this far in the video, then guess what? I'm bringing you PrimeXBT.com again. Link it down below, okay? I'm super excited about this because that copy trader that I have done before is actually working. Now, guys, since I started using this, it has blown away, okay? I want you to go to the copy trading. I'm going to log in again and show you just how easy this is getting. I cannot say it enough times. So we're in, guys, but I'm not going to go in deep to it because, like I said, there's another video that we have done. But what I want you to know is, are you trading? Are you trading and losing money? Even if you are making money, are you doing it hands-free? If not, then why are you not on here with one click of a button and letting somebody else do it for you? This followers equity is 51,000. They made 372% today. Look at this. If you followed number 8, how would you feel today if you never clicked a single button and you made 4,026% on your investment? Insane, guys. You got to get involved. Okay, so if you lasted this far, I just wanted to let you know that my trading is off the roof right now by just clicking that button that I told you to do on the last video. So now, guys, let's have a look at the Aptos Foundation. Okay, if you click here, it's actually going to tell you a bit about it. So it's designed for the people engineered to evolve, of course. All right, I want to take you through to particularly the tokenomics. So this is the overview of the tokenomics. What do we have? The initial supply here. All right, we got the community having 51%, which is 510,217,359.767. All right, we've got 19% to the core contributors, 16.5% to the foundation, and 13.4% to the investors. All right, gotta remember this was launched on October the 12th, 2022. There was 1 billion tokens initially supplied. All right, so it's gonna have 8 digits of precision. Going down the distribution schedule, so you've got a massive number available initially to support the ecosystem, dropping it down to initially support the Aptos Foundation, and 1 out of 120 of the remaining tokens and the foundation are anticipated to unlock each month for the next. And 1 out of 120 of the remaining tokens are for the foundation, anticipated to unlock each for the next 10 years. Then you got the schedule for the core contributors. No APT available for this. Free 48. Such token unlocked 13 months after, and so on. Okay, this is what the graph looks like. So more than 82% of the tokens of the network are staked across all categories. And a majority of these are actually currently locked in accordance to the distribution schedule, as you can see. Okay, guys, do your own research as always. But that's the tokenomics for this. The foundation itself is incredible. Okay, it's really, really cool. And what I like about it is the future-proof network. So with unique combination of safety user experiences, Aptos infrastructure, and its Move program language, it actually empowers developers to build Web3 applications. I want everybody to know that this is trying to help everybody get into the Web3 foundation, all right? Get involved in this. Having a look at their Twitter, guys, 318,500 followers. Super, super interesting, all right? I'm super excited about their Twitter because it is pumping up. They're getting about 16,000 on the retweets and the likes, okay? It's at Aptos_network. It's incredible how much interaction they're getting on every single post. So please, please give a big follow. Let them know you're from this channel. Say George sent me and get involved now. So there you have it, guys. Use that copy trader. And guess what? Keep hitting the like button, keep hitting the subscribe button. And please, please keep leaving comments on how we're doing. Hit the bell to be notified. And I'm going to see you on the next video.